Arsenal King Power Stadium an leng luta 4-3-3 formation mang Arsenal hian Leicester City la hian 4-2-3-1 formation manga Arsenal hi an players role ma tong pani thum ani do Gabriel Martinelli le Gabriel Jesus le Kai Havertz te an khel thei lawa matonga Sterling le Trossard le nowhere return da Gabriel Jesus le Kai Havertz be chu tu season a anin lan thei to don lo he nge ani Arsenal pakin andor ngala
Waneri plays one in, it's away by Okoli, not very far though. Odegaard is there.
Odegaard in Trossard pe Trossard in
It's gone into the keeper's hands. Hermansen. It was a good bit of vision from Odegaard to find him.
True ball fin tak ni ka jo true ball chip ball fin tak mo ase offside la we kan Leicester la pa andor ve a
pulls it back. Rice back defending. Good connection.
Indeed you
save for David Raya.
Indeed you believe Ryan of safe amount
beginning to end for Leicester.
Azon lu tukari
Gabriel didn't touch it. That could have
Azon lu tuka ball volley ka ba ka power lu tuklawa ki Raya zona kala Raya ta thilar sa ni lo ni Arsenal pa andora
Waneri
Nowhere
gets on that left foot. Another good
cross
ball in.
all
Rice got his
rising
head to it.
Nowhere kum song pasari tawani
Leicester will have to get wise to Waneri.
Kaya kung song pare tumay to niya ala no pang siya at ball at hiyam siya amay a confidence level hi asang box siya Arsenal future player point mo to ni kanti tayo na Nowhere mo
Are you again? Not a good pass from him there.
Arsenal pa yun Leicester tisol no tigi kantaran na
Sterling goes on his own to flex and it's out for a corner.
Sterling ang goal law match alone ni shot kan law deflect
That was a ball
boka
pass. And Arsenal just
Leicester tisol ka
counter-attack with
nila
Sterling.
shot kin law deflect daw boka ni law deflect ka out the corner
Tried to find a pass. You can see that there's no one around.
goal long to anilaw
Back to Ayew.
Leicester la pa yun no lea
Not
boka
a good ball though.
You can hear the Leicester fan want the ball in the box.
Leicester la pa yun no
Here it is, Christiansen played it in.
approach
Header comes in.
aval omve ndidi bok
He was unmarked, but it's gone wide.
ball cross chalut to kani ndidi an lok tawa ma sai ko ma da kal law
That's a very
target
good cross.
akal law law Arsenal ta mane na ani kasi itong kan Arsenal his
From Arsenal,
striker
this
and
man
boy
again looking dangerous.
Andito,
Waneri.
Much quicker though.
Oh, no worry.
Mentioned in the first half transition. How quick.
Ava uy omva Odegaard
Back
por
there.
pe
Quick pass
ay
forward.
setra sang
And
tadi
quick one there again.
utwa ka per tat
And that was quite close.
ay
Just
setra ball pe
tiny
ta
little bit more.
niam shat seng jon a goal nge ang ka mo Odegaard free
Odegaard
kick
plays it in.
hello ma'am
Good header out, not very fast. Sterling.
lawan
Waneri. His shot's blocked.
Nowhere in shota
Now Timber.
Arsenal hin number 9 mangmo anti ka Arteta hian Merino hi
Sterling.
number 9 ni torin alutira number 9 position avoi khatkal na ne Merino hi mo
Good ball in the box.
Yeah,
Couldn't
and-
quite get there.
and-
That's the
and-
first time
and-
I've seen a really whipping delivery coming in there.
apalia na wang hian Arteta hian number 9
Between the defenders and the
goal mamo
goalkeeper, that's
anni wang hian number 9 role play to hian alutira mong chu
you want your
ya
striker to be put it in the
Merino
back of the
mo.
net. It's just a little bit short.
Arsenal
Merino.
number 9 player an nei lo kun ti to kha an tuna hian call lo ni an nei chun te in hiam sia
I like the
Arsenal number
attitude
nor
of
zela
Merino, just going through.
Ayew drills it right across. Oh, that was a needed bit of defending from Lewis
Luis
Skelly.
Kelly was safe
If he
to
hadn't
there.
done that, then Leicester would have scored.
Leicester
surely.
la pa in chan sanun na ya
That is
awi
it's just
in
set-
ball
set
om
his
lut
team
to
there, Lewis
tin
Kelly.
awin
Right
ball om to kin
position.
crossa
Absolutely
Lewis
perfect
Kelly and
position,
low
you can see.
deflect so
Lewis Kelly
biết piel
just
rồi
the
đâu tăng
top,
piel rồi
got it out.
gol long mà chụp tới lâu nè Arsenal bằng Nora counter này
Waneri is up with him. Here he is. He's
Odegaard
Waneri. Might have to go on his
Lewis Kelly
own.
ball pe goal post pet per
He's hit the woodwork twice in this game now.
Lewis Kelly cái gì nowhere he goal post
Do
pet
you know
per
what? When I
nowhere
watch
he
this, I'll have him as a number 9.
cái sự tổng khăn
I'll have
Arsenal
him up
future
there
player
because
to
he does make run. He
anh thì
does
nó
play on the
khoa mà
shoulder
hi
of the
tin là
defenders.
sâu lên nha
And with that
nó
pace
cũng sống phải cái là kinh là vạ cũng sống phải
straightforward run that he
cái
has,
sống
he
phải
ain't
cái
messing
gì à
around. When he goes, he just goes for goal.
à thì sẽ confidence level sang sẽ cái đó Arsenal bằng Nora
Trossard, Jorginho.
lòng đó em
Not the most convincing of clearances. Rice picks it up. Timber again. Thought about
nowhere
the
in
shot. It goes
Pean
to
nowhere
Waneri
in
instead.
cross
Who clips one in.
Merino goal
Arsenal have the goal. And it's
nowhere
Miguel
kind of
Merino.
an pet talk về
What a
Merino
header. But the cross is all about
number
the cross
9
for
to
me.
turf đó
Right
này
here, he's curved
Merino
that little
paliana
ball.
alang head look
It's
that
just,
này
it's just perfection of a cross, and
Merino vẫn nặng ngay về
it's just trying to guide it in the back of the net.
nowhere kha afak anh thấy
We
lâu
said
thế
it
lâu
was a
anh
big 10
cross
minutes.
anh ta to lụt tục come on
And finally scored for Arsenal.
Merino nal lụt tục lâu head lụt bục xia
And he
cái
enjoyed
buồng
that,
thấp này
Merino.
Arsenal
Waneri
mong chọn na
had
ni
to be
Merino cái mo
involved.
Arsenal
He
number
supplied
9
the
player
cross,
mà
but
mo kan
Merino
ting kha Merino
took
ron
it
lụt
well.
ki
He
ti
did. He's on
tun
mark.
position tun
He's well positioned.
game mà cái chân sel
Coming
na
back,
tu
you can see him there.
Ông
Coming back
lâu nè.
onside. Ball to Waneri, and he's making
cái
sure he's
positioning
staying
kia thì
onside.
cái mà mình
And
mo
yeah, the ball is
head
perfect.
lụt nal bục xia
Maybe is
buồng
he
thấp
fast or
thì làm sao
Koulibaly at
số
the
lo
back post needs to do better, but
It's unbelievable.
between both of them. Very hard for them to defend.
Nowhere he can
And
set
then,
ang kan
it's just
number 9
applied it
role he
nicely
Africa
in the
play
back
na
of the net.
dito Africa play na goal score nga pang may
Substitution for Mikel Arteta as well.
ama hi position
Decided
pang
to
ay
go
to
very
midfielder
up front.
aniya box to box midfielder man tem chi kamo
Knus back to Christensen. His cross is blocked. Odegaard back doing some good help for his team. He's done really well
kasi
there.
kan tar chance
Now
nei
with
oh
Calafiori.
referee
Feeds it
Trossard
out
pe
to
Trossard
Trossard. Marino's
bola
up there with
luta
him. Trossard. Marino's
across
unmarked.
oh goal eta Merino
That's game over now.
position na
Arsenal
dik
make
tak
it
oh
2-0.
unmark
It's that man,
mark
Marino
lo
again.
Leicester ka mark lo boka
What a finish again. He's made sure he stays outside.
number 9
again.
ni
And
atin
he's just
don
right
yan
at the back post.
number 9 role voi khat
And it's another
play na goal ni tun nga der
unbelievable
me a
goal. The cross from
voi som
Trossard.
patum che bola to ka goal ni
It's
tun nga der
perfect
me ni
as well, right on the right spot,
avan
the
ngal
back
em
post,
oh
between the keeper and the
Trossard
defenders.
chu di ron Trossard ki fuck lo thai lo
Now,
na
I'll tell you what, that song's definitely going to be
Merino
Going on
position
to
ki Trossard ken akha chiang lu to ka
for the all day. All
adu
week.
na ta ka zu da mun chot ti le to ni avan pu em
That should be Ryers, and he does. Good punch.
lo pan so ka
Tries to get
Ryan
a touch, and Marino's in it. Arsenal could get another chance. Yeah,
Arsenal
Marino's on a
pen
hat-trick
counter
here.
nei le
Odegaard.
Rian
Marino
Don
lets it run. Rice
Right.
left it for each other.
Oh,
Tierney was up there as
Pessoal,
well.
and
Referee's going to blow the whistle. An
Hana
important
tope
3 points that for
kan
Arsenal.
Arsenal point tum lu ta kan
Hard
mukcho
going.
ka lo cho